Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I feel like it's been a long time since I did a video. Hey, if I'm looking at the camera. But I just wanted to come on to show you guys what I just got from where I went to 3 different places. Blaine's, Farm and Fleet, Home Depot, and Walmart. Okay, first we'll start with this blueberry that my son just planted. This is a Jersey. This was $6.39. It's such an echo right here. This was $6.39, and I was not letting it go with these little bells on it. They may fall off, but still. This is where the flying dragon was that I left outside that had died. Let me see. I still might have it right here. Yep. And then I covered the camera, of course. So yeah, this is the one that was outside, and it's dead. So I replaced it with a blueberry. Omitted my soil. Let me show you what I did, what I put in it. My Dr. Earth, of course. And then I'm trying this season. Espoma soil acidifier. We'll see if that works, because we had just used sulfur. Granted, we had just planted them that same season and nothing, but we'll see. I did fertilize this in the beginning. This is the one we've had maybe 2 seasons, 1 or 2 seasons, I'm not sure. And we have, where is it? There it is. We're going to have blueberries on there. So that's pretty cool. Okay, let me show you guys what else we got. This is a habanero Primero Red. They had these were at Home Depot, 5 for $10 for this size plant. So I got these because I'm growing the regular habanero, and we'll see how I do with that from seed. And then my rosemary, I got some more of that. So excited. And I got another jalapeno. I have jalapenos, but I saw it. And you see that? It's going to start growing jalapenos. Why not? They're 5 for $10. I had to pick 5. And then I got some oregano. Now, growing time, I couldn't remember if I had some oregano growing or not, so I just grabbed it. If I did, that's fine. I'll just have more. Oregano is delicious. So, yeah. Let's see what else. I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4. What else I get? From, I don't remember, guys. Where is it? I think I planted it probably already. I don't remember. Oh, chives. Now, remember, you saw my chives. I have some, but they look so terrible. They're like 3 strings only. So, I said forget it. I'll just get some more. Now, from Blaine's, these were on sale for $2.99. This size, 3.5 pot, I think. I don't know. But this is lavender. I'm going to try it in that pot I had the lavender in last season, but I'm not going to put it in the middle of the tomatoes again, because that's why it died. And I bought more cilantro because I left my greenhouse closed for 1 day and my cilantro died. So this and the chives will be the only thing that I bought from the store in this vertical planter. Look at that lettuce. Look at this lettuce. Is this the Pablo? I don't know, but this thing is, let me see. No, Marvel of 4 Seasons. This thing is big. It's nice. And is this a little gem? I'm supposed to be showing y'all what I just got, but I don't know. I can't see which one it is. But anyway, okay, let's see what else. Oh yeah, early dew. I was like, I'm gonna grab these because there's 3 in there, and it was a part of that $2.99 sale they had. Why not? And then I got these because all of my strawberries haven't come back. This was $10.99 and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. No, yeah, this was $10.99. But they did have that 15 plants for 12. But I didn't want that because it was just roots. I wanted this one because it's green and it already has strawberries. So I'm going to plant that, and that's what I wanted. All right? Okay. Last but not least, our final tree. I will not be buying any more trees because I have no more space. Well, I do, but I have no more space for trees. Now, this is the Zestar apple tree. And this is from Walmart. I looked it up and it said that this has a taste of, what was it? Sweet, tart, and a hint of brown sugar. So I was like, yes. I definitely want in the garage. Rain in the garage. So I got this. I was looking for a Granny Smith, but they didn't have any. And I looked at this. I was like, what is this? And it was the only one. And it was the only one with the blooms. And the only one that I have with blooms is this Yellow Delicious. And nothing else is blooming yet. So I'm like, I want apples. So I got this. I already hand pollinated some, but there's still some opening up. And there's still some kind of opening up on this one. So I'm hoping I get apples from these two. But yes. And then we're still planting out slowly but surely and still cleaning up. Look at that. I'm so late. I have not even started my watermelon seeds. I just want y'all to know that. But I will. I'm going to start my watermelon seeds. Goodness. I'm so late. I am so late. But I'm not out of the game. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys everything that I got from the store today. And a little update on my apple trees. But that's it. And I don't know if I'm in the camera. But like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, girl, many blessings.